frère, c'est que le début. Ouais, là vous êtes prévenus. Ça fait pitié, ils sont trop des vues.
I done came down, hold up. I done came down, hold up. Grip the grain, roll up, and your girlfriend want a nigga like me, cause I ain't tryna control her. She call me when she wanna change. Black diamond, my pinky ring, and she know you weak and we ain't the same. You hit the scene, I make the scene. I'm in her head like Maybelline. H-time, so I make the lean. I'm in her soul, I make her scream. I don't ride the toll, don't pay with change. I'm easy tag like Peter Pan. She want a man, don't need a man. I'm flying down your boulevard. She cooking dinner with your pants.
Cette année on fait autre chose, cette année on fait quoi?
On innove, du barbecue ensemble, tous ensemble avec nous.
Ah ça c'est bon ça c'est bon ça.
Oh yeah, I got this drink in my cup. I got this drink in my cup. I done came down, came up, slow pitch, change up, same hood, same style, same drink, same cup. She call me when she wanna fuck, I never call, she know what's up. Same page, same book, different song, same hook. Every time her nigga trippin', she on the phone with the same crook. And every time I pull up, she hit me with that same look. Lips biting, lips right, she left her man for that get right. I'm in the middle like midnight, but only if you got that sip tight. Only if you got that wine fine, only if you got that sip tight. Only if you got that mind bomb, only if you got that sip tight. Eat that shit like wine time, joking baby I'm pimp type. I'm used to being that one and done, but girl you got that get right. Girl I know how much you really want somebody that don't really need you. Girl I know how much you really want somebody that ain't tryna keep. You heard what I said, that can put you to bed, that ain't tryna love you baby, just fuck you instead. And don't tell them nothing baby, you know that I'm coming baby. Just hit up my phone whenever you need you some company. Got this drink in my cup, H-time. Oh yeah, I got this drink in my cup. I got this drink in my cup.